Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time seeing this beautiful face, kindly subscribe. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to do a simple quick eyebrow routine or tutorial. So if you want to know how to slay your eyebrows, continue watching. Then after we draw the downline, then we draw the upper. Like that. So after you draw the two lines, remember the upper line, you don't start here, you start almost halfway, because when you start here it will be like a block, and we don't want a block, we want a natural eyebrow. So after you have the two lines, now you can fill in the brow. So when we come to outside here, we don't want to like shade, we just want to go with the shape of the eyebrows. Like that. You see? Very natural. Remember guys, this is a very natural eyebrow tutorial. So I will do the other one, then I'll come back. So I have filled in bold eyebrows. Very natural. We don't want something dramatic, we just want natural eyebrows. So the last step guys is to clean your eyebrows so that it can give the flawless look. So I'll be using my foundation. I have a lighter foundation, but you can use a concealer, a lighter foundation than your shade. So that's what I'll be using. Like that. I have cleaned the down area. Now it's upper area, but upper area I like, on the top I like cleaning with my foundation shade. I don't want something like bright. The upper side is okay. So I'll go do my makeup, then I come and show you the final look of these good eyebrows. Okay, this is the final look of the eyebrows. As you can see, full face baked and the eyebrows. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe for everyday video. So tomorrow, wait for another video, come for another video. Until next time, bye bye. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, bye.